Hi everyone, Eliana here. Thank you for purchasing my Canvas self-graded assessment through my TPT online store. Today, I will show you in this video a brief preview of the assessment that includes the number of questions, types of questions you may find, and the total of points. I will also show you step by step of how to use the free online resource with the assessment. And the free online resource could be a simulation, a web page, or an educational video. I will also show you fill in the blank questions that require Canvas exact match option setup on a specific answers, same as case sensitive. So teachers, once you import the assessment into your Canvas account, check the answers in those fill in the blank questions. Make sure you have the correct character that you want students to answer. You must use the exact match setup. For example, uppercase letter for an element symbol or a specific number of digits in the answer based on the significant figures or decimal places. I will show you an example in this assessment. This is the TSA, the structure of atom, that's the main topic, and it's for students to calculate the average atomic mass. It requires to open a PhET simulation. This assessment has 8 questions in total, and we have a points of 52. So it's a high number because it has multiple drop downs, questions, and also fill in the blank questions. So now we're going to the quiz instructions, and we need to read it. It's open the following link for the PhET simulation. I already opened. I'm going to select isotope, and it says right here, question number 1, select helium. And right here, you're going to select helium. I recommend you to open all those charts, the symbol, which is the isotope notation, the abundance in nature. We have it right here for helium-4, and we have the scale. We have the atomic mass and the mass number. Students must complete the fill in the blank questions in this table, which is the what is the mass number, what is the atomic mass, and helium for the percent abundance. So what I want to explain here is that you as a teacher, you can change these answers based on how many digits do you want them to answer, based on what they have obtained from the simulation. If you want to specify any significant figures or decimal places, it's up to you. You may change it. Now, in my next column, it says to remove a neutron, and that will be helium-3. What is the percent abundance? What is the atomic mass and the mass number? And we already know where to find it. So students will interact with the simulation to obtain those information. Let's go to question number 3. This is the isotope notation for helium-4. We already know that the mass goes on the top and the atomic number goes at the bottom. We have right here helium-4 will be 1 neutron. We have already this image given. So for helium-3, it's just the mass on the top. Now, here in question number 4, they will have to find the abundance nature of, in terms of percent of helium-2. So we must remove 2 neutrons, and you will have 0%. So I will type 0. So now you know what to do on those questions. Let's go to question number 4. There's a big table, and you must calculate the average atomic mass of helium. You must use the information from the simulation. Here you have a multiple drop-down question for helium-3 and the same as for helium-4. We already know where to find those information from the abundance nature chart. And we must divide it by 100 for those percent. So we have the abundance nature number, and we need to find the atomic mass number, where we're going to find it in the scale right here for the atom. We already have the information for you. You must multiply these two numbers. Once you got that result, that is the relative atomic mass of the isotope. Once you have those two numbers for each isotope, you add them, and you will have the average atomic mass. And you must check in the periodic table the atomic mass for, in this case, helium, and that is correct. I'm going to show you the calculation for helium, and here it is. And you will have that information. So thank you for listening to my video. That is all for today, teachers and self-empowered learners. If you want to see further videos of my next digital resources, hit the subscribe button down below. You may also recommend any educational topic that you would like to get built in Canvas, please leave a note down below and I will add it to my list of assessment and videos to create. All right. Thank you for your view. Hope to this video was helpful. Hope to see you next time. Bye.